Welcome back to another portfolio update video. The account is currently sitting at $5,434.24, and I am finally back after about a month and a half of not making videos, and I will now be uploading weekly videos as I used to going forward. So since I last made a video, I've completely shifted my strategy towards only doing the wheel strategy, and in doing so I've been very profitable in the past month since making the last video. You can see that the portfolio is only down $65.76 or 1.2% overall now, which is a lot better than the last video. And so by using only the wheel strategy for the past month, I've been able to make about $126 or 2.32% by selling calls and puts. And so going forward, I'm just going to be focusing on the wheel strategy in this portfolio. I'm going to be very safe and conservative about it, and I'm going to be uploading weekly videos like I used to every single week about my current positions, plays, stocks, all of that. So going forward, I'm just going to be doing the wheel strategy. I'm going to be doing a weekly portfolio update like I used to do, and each week I'll update you on my current positions, my current profit and loss, and yeah. So for the past month, I've been wheeling 4 stocks in particular. I've been wheeling Labu, which is a $5 ETF, SoFi Technologies, which is currently a $6 stock, Palantir Technologies, which is a $7 stock, and ChargePoint, which is an $8.67 stock. As you can see, I'm up huge on Labu. I did get assigned on some stock, and I ended up selling it for a gain because of a cover call. It went in the money, which is great, so I'm up a lot on Labu. Head to SoFi. I never got assigned on SoFi, so I'm up pretty nice on SoFi too. Palantir, up on that, never got assigned on Palantir, so I'm just going to keep selling put options. And ChargePoint, I did end up getting assigned at kind of a high price. It was a bad put sale, but we ended up recovering by selling options. You can see I have a pretty large call option currently open on it, which will cover all of this loss, so I'm not worried about that either. But yeah, I'm just excited to be back. I'm excited to trade the wheel. It's been very profitable so far, and it'll continue to do so. And yeah, so based on my past performance for the past month, I'm hoping that we can basically go positive very soon in this account and hopefully get about a nice 2% return every single month just trading the wheel in this account pretty safely. So I'll keep you updated on that every week like it used to be. And let's actually go over my current positions in the account. So let's start off with the options. I currently have a put contract open on ChargePoint for next week, which I'm up on. Next, I have a Labu put at the 450 strike for next week, which I'm also up on. I also have a SoFi 450 put for next week, which I'm currently down a little bit on. I have another SoFi put for next week at the $5 strike, which I'm up on currently. I have a Palantir 750 put for next week that I'm not up on, but I've been monitoring this one very closely because it's a higher delta, but I think I'll be okay on this. And lastly, I have an in-the-money ChargePoint call option that I sold for a huge premium. And then I have my ChargePoint shares, which I got assigned at $9.50, but I've been selling calls and puts to lower that cost basis. And it's around $8.60 now, so I'd be okay with getting assigned at this $8.50 strike. But overall, all of these options will expire in 6 days. And if all goes to plan, as you can see, my short options value is $42. If all of these expire worthless and this ChargePoint call in the money, then by the end of next week, we will only be down $24, which is less than 0.5%. Which means that if everything goes to plan by next week, we should be able to hopefully make up this remaining $24 in the week that follows that. And I'm pretty confident that in the next week or two, potentially 3, that we will be able to go positive on the account overall. And I'm very much so looking forward to that. I'm being very risk adverse with this strategy, and as you can tell, it's been working out very well. And I don't see why it wouldn't continue to do so, so I'm just going to keep selling cash secured puts and covered calls at prices that I would love to buy and sell the stocks at, and that's kind of been my philosophy so far, and it's been working very well. But yeah, that is this week's portfolio update video. I'm glad to be back. I hope you guys are glad to see these videos back again, and I'll be doing these weekly just as it used to be, and I'm hoping we can go green very soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.